Hi. Let's learn about the Board of Directors and its role in governing a company. A Board of Directors, or BoFD, is the governing body of a company. Its members are elected by shareholders and are responsible for setting strategy, overseeing management, and protecting the interests of shareholders and stakeholders. Every public company must have a Board of Directors, and some private companies and non-profit organizations also have one. The structure and powers of a board are determined by a company's articles of incorporation and its corporate bylaws. The board makes decisions as a fiduciary on behalf of the company and its shareholders. This includes protecting the interests of shareholders, managing risk, and engaging with stakeholders. A board of directors is responsible for overseeing and advising a company so that it functions as effectively as possible. The board ensures that an organization operates lawfully and in the interests of the company's shareholders and other stakeholders. It operates independently of company management and day-to-day operations. While no set number of members is required for a corporate board, many pursuing diversity as well as cohesion settle on a range of 8 to 12 directors. Directors may be chosen by shareholders via simple agreement on whom to appoint. They can also be nominated by the board's nomination committee or by investors seeking to change a board's membership and policies. Different boards of directors can have different, broad mandates, such as executive boards, governing boards, advisory boards, and fundraising boards, each with distinct purposes and functions. The board of directors typically is formed from inside and outside directors. Inside directors are commonly defined as company employees, while outside directors are involved with the company only through their board membership. The board usually includes the chief executive officer and sometimes other senior officers or managers. How effective a board of directors is ultimately depends on the quality and conduct of its members, and their ability to properly oversee and guide a company to build profitability and shareholder value. In general, a board sets broad policies and makes important decisions as a fiduciary on behalf of the company and its shareholders. Issues under a board's purview include mergers and acquisitions, dividends, and major investments, as well as the hiring and firing of senior executives and their compensation. No, the CEO and directors work together on relevant company issues. The board doesn't interfere with the CEO's daily operations but has the authority to evaluate the CEO's performance and remove them, if necessary. Insider directors are not typically compensated for board duties since they're most often company employees. Outside directors are paid. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. The board of directors of a public company is elected by shareholders. 2. The board makes key decisions on issues such as mergers and dividends, hires senior managers, and sets their pay. 3. Board of directors candidates can be nominated by the company's nominations committee or by outsiders seeking change. 4. Public companies must have a board of directors. 5. The New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ require that the majority of members on the boards of listed companies be outside, or independent, directors. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.